Yeah. 2023 was not the year. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It always happens like that, right? It all happens in the 1 year. For me, it was this year. All the bad shit. All the bad shit happened for me in 2024. I love how I'm making jokes to cope right now. Hey, if it helps and it works, then why not?
Oh.
Yeesh, okay.
The Devour.
Another Devour gamer. It's been very popular at the moment. I don't really know whether... I kind of feel like Devour should be like Noed. But maybe I'm just being entitled.
I don't mind Devour.
Found it. Oh no, I didn't. I lied.
As the builders now.
Well, the way Thrill is going, we might need a little.
Well, there's no thrill in his build.
Change a Rooney. I know, but like if it becomes more prominent.
But yeah, with Thrill just making hex builds very frustrating.
Yeah. I don't know. Well, let's watch him get blown up. Oh, found it.
Have you found Devour? Oh, awesome.
Hopefully he doesn't see me. Whoop. I think Devour should be nerfed slightly. What would you do? How would you change it? At least their cage is home to some cute bunnies now. I want bunnies. You guys don't understand. I want bunnies. Well, I don't actually. That could have been. No, that wasn't Devour. That was someone's plaything. Does he know I'm here? I'm scared. I just don't want to chase. I don't want to play with him. I hate clowns. They scare me. Don't ban yourself, Tabby. Seriously. Christy, do you know if I have to have the extension thing open on my About Me thing, like I have my PCG, like in Twitch, or if I can just have the redeem? Because I literally just want the redeem. That's what I want. I actually hate the PCG thing. I hate that I have to have that, but it's so handy. I don't know where. Alright. Oh wait, is Jeff on it? Wait, Jeff might have got it. Maybe.
No, it's probably a plaything. Still active.
Damn it.
I have to find it. I'd be surprised if it's like running Penti or something either. So it could be that.
Just the redeem. Oh, good. Oh, Tabby. You're a Macca's girly, huh? I think. Okay, I'll have to play around with it. Damn it! I don't want to play like a clan with Devour. Is awful.
Oh, I think I found it.
Oh, nice. No, but clown, because he can slow you down. He can slow your ass down and then just bonk you. Oh my god, that's terrifying.
Yeah.
I hate it. I hate
right
it.
At the back of the map.
Oh, really? Oh my god, my hero. You are my hero set. Alright. Time. He doesn't want to blow it up because he knows Blast Mine.
Because he knows that this last line, yeah. But he doesn't want us to get it.
Okay, I do have a lot of distance. Maybe I'll go in here. I don't know if it's even worth it. No! Oh, I'm so bad. I'm so bad at the game! Maybe try adding it and see if it helps. I'm just wondering if I have to update... Basement's there. Where you going, sir?
Where did he go? Basement.
Does he have Scourgies?
He's going to the back one, maybe. Because the other one was closer. Till the other person there.
Hmm.
I need
Do you know where I get the browser source from, Christy, perchance? It's got to be here somewhere. I must just be blind. Thank you. Said you're not in my time zone, but I wanna be. Where art thou? Why not upon me? I need to listen to that song after this. It's killing me. No. Will he kick it? Or is he too scared to kick it? He kicked it. Alright. Is he on you?
Damn it. Yeah, he's on me.
Alright, I'm on the gen.
I've got nothing here.
That's okay, Chrissy. I can Google it. I can Google it. I'm just being lazy. Sorry. Hehe. He should kick it like a good boy. He did, don't you worry. What will you do if they add Pennywise into the game? I'm coming, where are you?
I'm dead.
No.
I'm over near main.
Is there a hawk nearby?
Jeff's over there. Yeah. Like,
Whoa, I'm
picking
lagging.
up now.
Whoa, I'm lagging. Holy shit, you guys see this? Oh, the hook's right there. Oh my god, I'm full lagging. Eee.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh my god. It's really bad. Well, I'm lagging, Tabby, so maybe the stream is struggling to hold up. Hold on. I'm just refreshing my stream to see what you guys can see. Camaraderie. Oh, that did. I mean, camaraderie. Is it okay now? Is it better? My internet be struggling. I guess. Holy moly, I've been live for 5 hours already. Where does the time go? Alright, let's do it. Oh god. I'm in struggle city right now with this shit. Oh. I need to pre-drop that pallet. No, I totally pressed it in time. My stream's lagging too. God damn.
Super jittering.
Well. Yeah, it says poor connection detected, so my internet must be having a hard time. Alright, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die for Ada.